그럼 지금부터 2022년 인도네시아 청년문화학산을 위한 입교식을 시작하겠습니다.
앞으로 인도네시아 행정을 개혁하고 정책을 수립하는데 많은 도움이 되셨으면 하는 바람입니다.
I'm so happy can be a participant in this workshop. Effort to implement good governance in Indonesia and the information about South Korea progress also become valuable example for us to be able to adopt and adapt to the condition and needs in Indonesia, especially to create a zone of integrity within in government. Innovation in Korea, right?
How do we know we are good at that and we are bad at this? How do we figure that out?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
At first, I didn't think this online training would run well and fun, but it turned out that this training was very interesting and gave me a new experience. I'm impressed by the professors who are very smart and patient in teaching us, and the translators are very good and fluent, as well as the facilitators who are kind, friendly, and really helpful that make us comfortable in joining this training. I believe this program will encourage us to be the best civil servants. I hope one day I would have the opportunity to visit Korea and learn more about the good government and hope to be a world-class government in Korea.
That's our proposal.
I think well done, well designed action plan.
안녕하세요. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Usman, you can call me Ricky. And now I participate in the course held by the NSI and KOICA about the workshop for quality improvement of public service to create integrity zone. This became a precious experience for me because this is the first time for me to participate in an overseas online course. After this course, I will use the knowledge I gained through this course into my work and I will share it to my co-workers. Even then, as a civil servant, I will want to make a positive change to my ministry. I hope so. Thank you to KOICA and NSI. 감사합니다.
Now, we'll commence the closing ceremony of 2022 workshop.
Thanks for this opportunity to learn about Korea, anti-corruption system, innovations of the public service.
3,